Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Kamble and I am from Group 11, first year, second semester. I am here to talk about the caring for patient with total parenteral nutrition. Total parenteral nutrition is nutrition given through needle or catheter that is need to be placed in large vein that goes directly to heart called as central venous catheter. Since the central venous catheter needs to remain in place to prevent further complications, total parenteral nutrition must be administered in a clean and sterile environment. TPN is usually used for 10 to 12 hours a day, 5 to 7 times a week, and most TPN patients administer the TPN infusions on pump during the night and for 12 to 14 hours. So they would be free from administering pumps during the day and can do their work. And TPN can also be used in both home and hospitals. On average, the cost for 9 TPNs per day range from per patient from as low as 36.5 to as high as $44.6 per day, excluding the amino waste costs. And the reason why TPNs are given at night is that patients receiving total parenteral nutrition at home generally infuse at night. Patients who work may choose to do their infusions while they are sitting at desk, which allows them to sleep better and give them better quality of life. In general, TPN allows patients to live and function, but it decreases the quality of life, and hence for doing their work during the day, they receive the nutrition at night, and that too for 12 to 14 hours. And complications that are associated and side effects with total parenteral nutrition are dehydration and electrolyte imbalances, thrombosis, hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia, infection, liver failure, and micronutrient deficiencies. The risk of parenteral complications are refeeding syndrome, hyperglycemia, bone demineralization, catheter infections, and these can be minimized by carefully monitoring patients and use of nutrition support teams, particularly during the long parenteral nutrition.